Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel again. I really hope that you're all doing well and managing to look after yourselves physically and of course mentally as well. It's really important at the moment in these strange times. Thank goodness the lockdown rules will be easing up again here in England very soon, so things should get better. Anyway, the reason I'm posting today, just very quickly, is to say that today is the last Thursday of November, which means that if you're in America, then you'll probably be celebrating Thanksgiving. I think Thanksgiving is a really good idea. I don't know why we don't do it here as well, but it is also possibly the most ironic day of the year, because to buy a dead baby, put them in the oven, and then put them on the table and all sit around the table literally praying over a dead body to give thanks for everything you're grateful for, is possibly the most, or one of the most ironic things that I can think of. It's a shame that there is that tradition, and also with Christmas in here in the UK as well. A lot of baby turkeys are bred around the start of the autumn in order to kill for these festivals, and it's only in the name of tradition. And Thanksgiving is incredibly ironic. Out of all the things you can put on the table to give thanks, why would you choose a dead baby that you have literally put in your oven to cook and are about to eat? It is so ironic. Hopefully that tradition will die out soon as the world is going more and more vegan, and therefore more logical and more fair and more just.